If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build an ideal life through consistent actions. This week was about momentum, productivity and discipline, getting back into training, staying consistent at the gym, improving focus and catching back on work after the marathon and travels. Let's get into the week. Monday. I started the week strong. Gym session focused on chest, shoulder and a few sets of squat to slowly build back leg volume. I had lunch with a friend, called my sister and a friend. Meaningful conversation that made me reflect on life direction and building long-term options for my life. I also received some wedding documents from my dad, so I started organizing translations. I ended the day journaling and catching up on everything I had delayed this week. I felt grounded again. Tuesday, I went to the gym early. Heavy trap bar deadlift, followed by accessory work. I'm slowly building structure again. 1 main lift, 3 supporting exercises, and around 20 total sets per session. I spent the rest of the day at WeWork doing chess puzzles, journaling, and sending some important wedding emails to the church, town hall, and French consulate. It felt good to be productive again and move things forward. I want to live with purpose, and that starts with discipline, not motivation. Wednesday, I finished editing episode 13 of the Journey series. I learned more about DaVinci Resolve, especially color grading from HDR footage to SDR, so the colors can look right. In the morning, I trained squats and dumbbell bench press with the 70s dumbbell. I'm getting stronger and more consistent. At night, I stayed late at WeWork to finish some tasks, and I'm reducing my screen time. Small wins adding up. Thursday, rest day from the gym. I focused entirely on admin work. I spent hours answering wedding emails and organizing our paperwork. A full productivity day in the WeWork. By night, I felt accomplished, the kind of tired that comes from progress. Friday, I filmed episode 15 and 16 of the Journey series. Early in the morning before going to the gym. It was tough. I was tired, but I showed up anyway. At night, we went out with some friends. Great social event and laughter. It felt like a reward after a long productive week. Saturday, a slower start, and honestly not my best day. I wasted hours at the WeWork doing nothing, scrolling and procrastinating, but I caught myself and started journaling and turned it around. I worked for 3 focused hours before ending the day. Lesson learned, don't let one bad day turn into a bad week. Sunday, I ran 10K at Stanley Park, then lunch with my fiancée at Frankie's Italian restaurant. We walked around downtown, went to church together, and I finished the day meal prepping for the week. Chicken, rice, veggies and steak. My phone time this week, 14 hours and 56 minutes, lowest in months. I did 4 workouts, 1 run, practiced chess daily, and filmed and edited 2 videos. Momentum is building again. Next step, deepen focus, block internet distractions, and keep showing up. That's it for week 19. Progress, consistency, and getting back to what matters. If you are on your own path of growth, keep stacking. Follow the journey, and I will see you next week.